Long division. We're going to go back to something we already know from a long time ago. When we divide, the first thing we do is we divide. How many times does 2 go into 7? Well, it goes in 3 times. Then I multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Then I subtract. And then I bring down. Then we repeat the process. So let's write bring down. We repeat the process. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract gives me 1. I bring down the 3. I divide. 13 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract. I bring down. 2 goes into it 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, and I have a remainder of 1. So, my solution is 3,765 with the remainder of 1. And you did that about maybe 3rd grade. 4th, 5th grade, you wrote it like this. It's 3,765 with the remainder of 1 over 2 because you brought the divisor back into it. So look at what's being asked of you. They might just say, what is your remainder? And then you can say 1. Or they may say, write it a specific way, and then you'll take the divisor and put it over. Long division. Every degree must be accounted for. So degree 4, I don't have an x to the 3rd, so I'm going to put in plus 0x to the 3rd, x squared, just an x, and a constant. So now I have 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down to 0. X squared, I'm missing an x, plus 1. All right, division. The first thing I'm going to do is divide. I'm going to take this and divide it by this. X to the 4th divided by x squared. Well, I can take 2 of those away, so I'm left with an x squared. Multiply, so I'm going to distribute. That gives me x to the 4th. That gives me 0x to the 3rd. And that gives me plus 1x squared. When you subtract, you change the sign of everything. That will cancel. That will cancel. Minus 5x squared, and we'll bring everything down. Then I will divide again. I will take this, negative 5x squared, and divide this out. Those cancel, and I'm left with a negative 5. When I distribute, I get negative 5x squared plus 0x minus 5. Then I subtract, which means I change the sign of everything. That cancels, and I have 2x plus 10. Because this degree is smaller than this degree, we're done. So my answer here is x squared minus 5 plus 2x plus 10 over x squared plus 1. And I got the x squared plus 1 from right here. I don't have to add in that 0.